each of us has the power to influence others.
Can you talk about some of the things that you learned about yourself while you were at CFOT?
Um, Something that I learned about myself. I would say just understanding that each of us has the power to influence others.
Well, hold on.
Like
Say that again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Bring that back. Say that again. Each of us has what?
each of us has the power to influence others. So
Wow.
we have, whether we realize it or not, someone's always watching us. Someone's always, looking up to you. So for me, it's always important for me to, be on my A game.
Hmm.
Making sure, not trying to be like fake or anything, but making sure that I am doing my best to be a reflection of Christ,
Right. Amen.
and just living my life out to not to be the best version of myself. Because if I'm the best version of myself, like where I'm not including Christ, and if I'm thinking about just being me.
Yeah.
So I'd say that's one of the most important things that I take away from being at the school. Also, that if you put time into something, say like a skill, because like for me, I didn't play anything musical before I went into the school. But then they have music classes where you can sign up to take a class to learn an instrument to play. So for me, I chose guitar, and so for me, I would practice usually once a day, maybe like 10, 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Just move my fingers around on the guitar to learn how to play. And then too, I had my teacher and then a couple other people there at the school who helped me get better at playing. Yeah, so if you put your time into practicing a skill or something, then you'll see results if you stick with it.
Yes, sir.
Even though you might not sound good, you might not play like you want to, you can
Mm-hmm.
work your way up to
Yeah.
get better.
Yeah.
And then when you got that gift, you don't use it for yourself, you use it to glorify God.
Right. Yeah, and I think what was interesting too about the music thing, just from me knowing you, us growing up together, is we never really had the chance to experience like if we liked music because we were always into sports
Yeah.
year round. So like there was never really, hey, let me sign you up for this music class just to see if you liked it. Or music was never really on my radars. I'm sure it wasn't for you either because we was always into sports. So it was like gym class was like when you could sign up for electives in high school. I had no interest in signing up for like a music class.
Yeah, that's always
But looking
been.
back, it would have been nice to have at least explored that. So one of the things that I know I kind of took away too with just my past experiences is like as you try to experience new things, you start to learn more and more about stuff that you like and stuff that you don't like. So music being one of those things, for sure.